Do you want to remove your picture background without having to use any software and do it in a quick way? No need for Photoshop. Then let's get started. So if you're new here, hit on the subscribe button to subscribe, and if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. So you go to your browser, you open your browser, preferably on Android. I would prefer you use Phoenix browser. It's faster and it's ads free. It blocks all your ads. So when you go there, you type in the website name. The name is remove.bg. So you just type it in, and so when it comes to the page, you just go to upload image. So I will use a bit complex picture because the simple one, that one is very fast. So I just use a bit complex picture here. So I'll use this one. Then it uploads and remove your background. So you wait for it to load. Depending on your connectivity, my connectivity here is a bit slow. So you can just scroll. And the removed background is here. So I did it perfectly for me. No background trace. Then I can simply just download. And it's downloaded. And that was just simple and quick. So if you really like this tutorial, hit on the like button, comment if you have any question below, and more importantly, subscribe. Hit on the bell icon. I have more tutorials for you, so stay tuned. This is the image. I've removed the background. I love you.